How to get notes feature on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can get the latest Instagram note feature. Well, on December 13, 2022, Instagram launched the notes feature. It's a new way to share your thought with friends. Now to find this feature, what you want to do is open up the Instagram app and head into your chats icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. And here you'll be able to find your note option. You can see share a thought popping up there. If you tap on it, you'll be able to share your thoughts here with your friends. However, if you don't find this option, then what you want to do is make sure that your app is updated to the latest version. Head into your App Store or Play Store and then search in for Instagram. And if your app isn't updated, you'll get an update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen right now. Simply update it and you should be able to get the feature, as it is the latest feature launched by Instagram. However, after the update, if you don't get this, or if you don't have the update option on Play Store or App Store, then what you want to do is just try and force the update. Now to do so, first head into your settings, scroll down your notification bar, and on the top right corner you can find the settings icon. Simply tap on it and scroll all the way down below and head into apps. Once on apps, search in for Instagram, and once you search it, what you want to do is head into storage. If you are on iPhone, you can simply offload the app data. If you are on Android, you can simply tap on clear data and tap on delete, and all your Instagram data will be deleted. Once you do this, head into your App Store and you should be able to get the update. So simply tap on update, and this time if you open Instagram, you should be able to get the note feature. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.